In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and delete tags in Asana. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or a newcomer just trying to stay organized, mastering tags in Asana can significantly enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Asana's official website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login and navigate to your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, you're welcome to create an account by selecting Get Started or Try for free. Once logged in, you're ready to begin organizing your tasks using tags. Let's first explore how to add tags to your tasks in Asana. Begin by clicking on Projects from your dashboard. From here, select the specific project you wish to work on and open the task that needs tagging. Within the task details, locate the Tags field. You can reach this quickly by pressing Tab followed by the letter T. Now in the Tags field you have two options: search for an existing tag, or if needed, type a new tag name. If you're creating a new tag, make sure to press Enter to confirm it. This simple action will help you better categorize and track your tasks. Moving on to editing tags, which can be quite handy when you need to update or correct your organization system. Head to the search bar conveniently placed at the top of your Asana page. Type in the name of the tag you want to modify. Once located in the search results, click on the tag to open its detailed view. Here you'll find a three-dot icon, often referred to as More Options. Click on this and then select Edit Tag. In this menu you can rename the tag or change its color to better suit your categorization needs. Lastly, let's discuss deleting tags in Asana, perfect for when a tag is no longer needed and you want to maintain a clean workspace. Again, utilize the search bar to find the tag you're ready to remove. By clicking on the search result, you'll open the tag view again. From there, click on the familiar three-dot icon to access more options. This time select Delete Tag. Asana will ask for confirmation before proceeding, ensuring you don't remove tags unintentionally. With this confirmation, the tag will be deleted, helping you streamline your projects. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding, editing, and deleting tags in Asana. By effectively managing tags, you're on your way to more organized and efficient project management. Stick around for more tutorials to refine your Asana skills further. Thank you for watching.